I'm Ashmika. Welcome to Chef School Dropout. I'm Captain Jenna.
And today we're going to make clay.
And today we're going to make clay. This is Paul. So we're going to start out with 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon of oil, and 1 cup of warm water. And we're going to mix all this together. Okay, just get this all mixed up, and then we're going to separate them into 4 different pans to make 4 different colors.
We're making rainbow clay, right?
Rainbow clay. So we're going to pour a little bit in here, 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 and here.
No, wait, what's the food coloring? What color is that? This one.
Oh, he picked yellow, so put 2 drops of yellow.
Is this thing open? 2 drops here.
Drops of good red. That's too much. 2 drops green.
And 2 drops of blue.
And 2 drops of blue. Then we're going to go cook this on the stove until all of this is hardened. Yellow clay. I'm going to make blue clay, so we just continue stirring.
That looks blue, 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 blue.
Until it gets hard. You like blue Smurfs. Stir it really fast, so make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom.
Our clay is not green, it's just plain old clay.
It's just mint clay. Uh-oh, disaster. Green clay.
That's blue clay. Again.
It's the red clay. Colors of the clay, we're going to let it cool down for 10 minutes. The clay's all done now and it smells fun. It's ready to play with. Have fun.
Now.
What are you making?
Nothing, I'm just playing with it.
We're going to make a clay animal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Captain Butterfly.
Captain Chicken.
Let's make chickens.